packing for India wrong can ruin your entire trip. I'm about to save you from overpacking disasters and show you exactly what to bring versus what's cheaper to buy there. Hey, smart packers. India's diverse climates make packing seem impossible. Plus, you'll find some things dirt cheap in India while others are expensive or hard to find. Today, I'm sharing my ultimate India packing strategy that'll save you money, space, and stress. Let's start with clothing, the biggest packing challenge for India. Bring quality basics from home. Pack 2-3 good cotton t-shirts, 1 pair of comfortable jeans, and 1 nice outfit for temples. Quality basics last longer in India's harsh washing conditions. Essential items to pack: a lightweight rain jacket. Monsoons are serious business. 1 warm layer for air-conditioned trains and mountain areas. Comfortable walking shoes that you've already broken in. Flip-flops for easy temple visits. For women, bring modest tops that cover shoulders and a lightweight scarf for temple visits. Having familiar clothes for the first few days helps with adjustment. Pack 1 week's worth of underwear and socks. Western brands can be expensive in India. Here's where India shopping becomes amazing. Cotton kurtas and Indian shirts cost 200 to 500 rupees versus $30 to $50 at home. The quality is often better since they're made for the climate. Linen pants and cotton trousers are incredibly cheap and perfect for India's heat. Traditional Indian outfits make great souvenirs and are practical for temple visits. Salwar kameez for women, kurta pajamas for men. Locals appreciate when you dress traditionally. Lightweight cotton scarves serve multiple purposes and cost almost nothing in Indian markets. Buy extra clothes as your trip progresses rather than packing everything from home. Medications require careful planning. Definitely bring from home. Prescription medications with extra supply. Specific brands you trust for stomach issues: Pepto-Bismol Imodium. High SPF sunscreen. Indian sunscreen is often lower quality. Insect repellent with DEET. Malaria prevention is serious. Your preferred deodorant and toothpaste brands, Indian versions might be different. Buy in India. Basic toiletries like shampoo, soap, razors, they're much cheaper and widely available. Pain relievers and basic first aid supplies. Contact lens solution and pharmacy items. Indian pharmacies are everywhere and pharmacists are knowledgeable. Electronic strategy can save or cost you hundreds. Bring from home. Your phone, camera, and laptop. These are expensive in India. Power bank. Essential for long train journeys and power outages. Universal adapter with surge protection. Indian power can be unstable. Buy in India. Phone cases and screen protectors, incredibly cheap and good quality. Extra charging cables. They're a fraction of Western prices. Local SIM cards and accessories. India's climate zones require different strategies. For hot plains, lightweight, breathable fabrics only. Cotton and linen are your friends. Wide-brimmed hat for sun protection. For mountains, warm layers that you can add or remove. Temperatures drop dramatically at altitude and at night. Good walking shoes with grip. For monsoon season, waterproof bag covers and Ziploc bags for electronics. Quick dry clothing. Waterproof shoes. These practical items make huge differences. Bring from home, quality day pack for sightseeing. You'll use this daily. Money belt for valuables. Portable door lock for extra security. Water purification tablets as backup. Travel towel that dries quickly. Hotel towels aren't always available or clean. Buy in India umbrella. They're cheap and you'll definitely need one. Reusable water bottle. Shopping bags for market visits. Avoid these common packing mistakes. Don't bring too many clothes. You'll want to buy Indian clothing and your luggage will get heavy with souvenirs. Skip expensive jewelry and watches. They make you a target. Don't pack cotton swabs, tissues, or toilet paper. These are available everywhere and take up valuable space. Don't pack just in case items. If you haven't used something in your last 3 trips, you won't use it in India. Smart packing for India is about balance. Bring essentials you can't easily replace, but leave room for amazing things you'll want to buy there. You can find almost anything in Indian cities, so don't stress about forgetting something. What's your biggest packing dilemma for India? Drop your questions in the comments. If this video saved you from packing disasters, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical travel tips. Almost ready for your India adventure? Check out my final video on how to end your India trip like a pro.